Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to stay offline but read and send messages on the WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to stay offline but read and send messages on the WhatsApp, you're gonna have to follow some steps. You can change your privacy settings. You can change your privacy settings to hide your online status and last seen status. To do this, go to the settings and then privacy, and then tap on the last seen and online options to the nobody, and you can see it's already nobody. Also guys, you can use the airplane mode, and you can use the airplane mode to disconnect from the internet while still being able to use the WhatsApp. And to do this, turn on the airplane mode on your device, open the WhatsApp and read or send messages. Once you are done, turn off the airplane mode to reconnect off the internet. So hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.